This tutorial will cover the installation of the AIM Sports Mossberg 500 chassis. Installation is identical for both the key mod and the M-Lok. First, push out the receiver pin and replace it with the threaded pin provided with the chassis. Unscrew the magazine tube cap and pull the barrel out of the receiver. Slide the magazine clamp over the magazine tube. Insert the long screw into the clamp and snug it almost hand tight. Reinstall the barrel. Now you can place your shotgun into the chassis. Place the washers around the receiver pin and align the pin with the holes on the aft section of the chassis. Tighten the receiver pin screws. They will be conical to correspond to the countersink around the pin. Align the magazine clamp with the screw holes at the front end of the chassis. Tighten the button head screws that secure the clamp to the chassis. Installation is now complete.